how to add icons in Framer. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, to be able to add an icon into your Framer website, simply first go to a platform called Flaticon. This platform has all kinds of icons that we could utilize and use and download. Let's go to interface icons over here. You can see all kinds of icons available for us to use. Let's say we want to use this icon over here. We could either have a code over here, or we could download it as a PNG. There we go. And then you could simply just easily drag and drop it into your website and place it wherever you need it to be. So we have this. We could make it smaller, and we could make it so that it will be easily movable, or you could put it wherever you want it to be placed in. So it's up to you where you want to put your icon, but that's basically it, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.